Citizens' Fiber to the Home project is well underway, but too often we have experienced fiber cuts due to other construction in the area. These cuts slow our development progress, but Citizens is committed to repairing to quickly restore our customer service. While a fiber cut is purely accidental, it is a costly mistake. A single cable can contain 288 strands of fiber that are roughly the size of a single strand of hair. Citizens has trained fiber splicing technicians who quickly splice and fuse the damaged strands of fiber back together using a fusion splicer. Each glass strand, all 288, are fused back together to re-establish service. Why is fiber so important? Fiber can run all of your devices simultaneously at unimaginable fast speeds, literally at the speed of light.